Alright guys, a little update here. So, we have gotten a few coats. Not a few coats, but a few sprays. This is what it's going to be looking like. That Ford light blue. The oil pan will be painted that color too. I'm going to do that all tomorrow because I was going to finish painting those valve covers and that water pump. But the wind started up, and you know, you don't really want to spray paint in the wind because you won't have a good time. You'll just, yeah, not a good idea. So I'm gonna stop on the block today and the oil pan and the heads and everything because I'm currently painting in an enclosed area, and that's probably not the smartest to do. I did air it out. I just wanted to say I got something done on the actual block today. So my masking job, you know, turned out pretty good. We're keeping all that safe for the black paint, or just protecting the valve train. It's doing pretty good. We're gonna paint the valve, or not, yeah, the valve covers and the intake manifold. Those are gonna be the satin black, as I mentioned previously, and all the lettering, like the Shelby, and I'm not sure, but maybe like the firing order and stuff. We'll see. We're gonna paint or sand all the tops down, so they're gonna be. I don't know how many guys. Jesus Christ, I can't speak. How many of you guys have seen Jordan's valve cover, where it's black, but like the little lines, as you saw, the top were all sanded down, so it's kind of a silver. So that's what his valve covers and the Shelby at least are gonna be. So we'll see. So tomorrow morning when I get in, I'm gonna finish painting this. I'm gonna paint this all blue. Then I'll probably let it dry, and I'll pull all of my masking and everything. Put the valve covers on, or no. I won't put the valve covers on yet. I'll keep these masked, and I'll mask like in there so I can paint this black. So the opposite's gonna be masked. All the block is gonna be all masked. So, oh, might sneeze. False alarm. So yeah, I will definitely let that dry because if I just put the tape on the paint when it's still wet, well, obviously that's not gonna have a good time. But this block is definitely gonna turn out very, very nice. I think it's gonna look pretty good. So hopefully I'll get you guys an update in the morning. Later.